Okay, in this opportunity I'm going to explain the basics of series and parallel circuits. So here I have two kinds of circuits. This is the series circuit and the other one is parallel. So here we have the battery, we have a switch, and we have a light bulb, and we have also the conductors. Okay, so I'm going to explain a little bit more about this. Okay, everything begins because the electricity is the movement of electrons. So you already know what is that. In the atom you have protons, neutrons, and electrons. So the flow of the electrons produces that the electricity can move around this circuit, and that's the reason why you can see the light of this light bulb. You also have to close the switch because in this case this switch is open, but once you close the switch, the light it produces the light. So ladies, here we have the conductor element. In this case you have a practice where you are going to create this circuit. You are going to design it with the help of this copper tape. This is a conductor element, so it can conduct the electricity. But in the other side we have the isolators, for example the wood or the rubber. They cannot conduct the electricity in normal cases. In normal cases they cannot conduct, the electricity can flow through them. So ladies, next we will have you will have the LEDs. This is like a small light bulb, but take into account that they have positive and negative, and it must be equal as the battery. The battery has a positive and a negative pole. So the longest line means that that is the positive side, and the shortest is the negative side. This is the representation of the battery, and here you are going to put the LED in the practice. So take this into account. They must have the same polarity. Okay, they must be positive in the same side, negative in the same side. Okay, now what is a switch? This is a switch. You can turn the lights on or turn the lights off. So let me add a line. So you have something like this. This is the switch, and this is the switch. Okay, so if you close the circuit, you can have the light on. If you open the circuit with the switch, you turn the light off. So it's the same thing. Okay, you are going to do it here in the classroom. So ladies, we have these elements. We are going to create this circuit with this LED, with the copper tape, with a battery, and simulating the switches. That's it. Thank you so much. I was almost forgot. Okay, so in this case the circuit has one single flow, but in this case you have the electrons move. They come from here, but they are divided. So one group of electrons goes here and the other group goes here, and that's the reason why we can say that this is a parallel circuit, because the electricity is divided. In this case is divided in two groups, one here and one here. Of course, if these switches are closed, you must close all of the switches. And let's put another one here. So in this case they are on, the lights are on in this case. Okay, thank you so much. That's it.